Alright guys, before this video starts, I'm sorry for the shakiness and the bad audio. Nothing I can really do. I think my camera's screwed, so I just sent it to get fixed, so hopefully in a couple days I'll have it back, and I'm going to be getting a mic soon, so up in the quality a little bit. So yeah, I hope you enjoy this video. Alright guys, I'm over here at the Desert Valley Auto Parts store. Gonna be looking for some stuff for a couple of my friends, but this place is like nirvana, it's heaven. There's so many complete cars, like the other junkyard, but this is way better. So yeah, gonna go look around.
Darling, you send me, I know you.
Ooh, I think these are Galaxies. So I'm looking for something for Craig. Trying to find the rear window moldings. I think that's a 64. Let's see if it's got it. Oh, these are 63s. Hold up, might have to give him a call real quick. See if they're the same. Alright. Might have found Craig's molding. So yeah, send that picture of him, see what he says. I'm pretty sure that's all Ford stuff, so I'm gonna go over here to the Chevy stuff. I'm looking for C10 stuff. There's a bunch of Ford trucks. Oh man, this place is awesome. A bunch of Ford trucks. See where the Chevy stuff's at. Bunch of Elcos over here. Oh, see, there's like 72. See, like anything I can. Probably not, but stuff for my Chevelle. Yeah, the wiper motor. Oh. No, I can't really use any stuff. I'm looking for like vents too. See, that's Malibu front clip. Just looking. Man, this place is fucking awesome. See, I wish they had something like this back home, because sheesh, like you could find everything. Impala stuff. See, like there's a shit ton of motors over there, if you can see. I'm looking for truck stuff, which I think I might have found. These are all the first gen. That's kind of cool. They've got them all stacked up. I wonder if they got any Chevelle stuff. I doubt it, but maybe. Oh, they've got a bunch of Nova stuff, so I'll have to go look for my buddy Alfredo. Oh, there's nothing left of that one. That's the GMC. Ooh, maybe I can see something up of that one. These are just cabs. This one's kind of there. Not my year though. See if there's anything left. Oh fuck. Just burned myself. See, ooh. This one's so bad I maybe could have taken that. That's cool. Fasten safety belt. See if there's anything in there. And a glove. Oh, it's fastened shut. Don't really need any of that stuff. There's doors. Oh, see. Oh, shit. See, that's a fender air, but not the right side that I need. I'm looking for a right side fender that's solid. But it doesn't look like they have any. And over there is all the square body trucks. Oh man. Well, I guess I'll go over to look at the Nova stuff. Another shout out to Modern Greaser. They got another blue C10, but this is a step side. That one's fucked. Alright. Let's see if they got any of the Nova. I know I'm looking for like the front headlight stuff, but they all look like they've been taken out, and all the bumper fillers and all that stuff. Oh damn. Dude, this place like goes on forever. It's cool because they have all like in the front, they have a bunch of like complete cars that you can just straight up buy. I don't know if they're salvage or clean title or what, but they have like Bel Airs, Camaros. Let's see if there's anything here. Not really. All this stuff's. I guess the front end, I was always taking off these Novas ASAP. Heaven, like I wish there was a junkyard like this where I'm at. Like you'd find so much, like you could probably build another truck out of all the spare parts and stuff, which is just crazy. Like I tried to do a junkyard video in Cali and there's like 2 trucks and they're all stripped and they've only been there for 1 day. So yeah, start heading over to see how much they're gonna price the molding out for, and then see if Craig wants it.
Calling you. Send me. I know you do. 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 Send me.
Alright, well, couldn't find anyone anything. They want a little bit too much money for that molding, so hope you enjoyed the video. I'm on my way back home, and yeah,